my lovelies, I hope you're doing amazingly well today. Welcome to my channel. I'm Roxanne. It's lovely to meet you if you're new here, or if you're one of my subscribers, welcome back. Thank you for dropping by. So today, as you can see from the title, we're going to be doing a review of the new Real Techniques foundation brush. I have already filmed this video, hence why it's a little bit dirty. I'm also filming another video, so you'll see this look twice. Sorry about that. It's what a girl's got to do when she has a 9 to 5, is get in as much as she can. So I hope you don't mind, but hopefully I'll space the videos apart so you don't actually notice all too much. Maybe, but I've told you, so I think that's besides the point. If you want to find out how good this brush is, then keep on watching. So this is what the foundation brush looks like. It's all very, very cute. And you open it up, it's this cute little brush. It's quite tough, but the bristles feel really soft. So yeah, let's just apply some, I say foundation, but I'm actually going to apply my tinted moisturiser with this because this is what I would use on a daily basis. So it's worth just using this. So what I'm going to do is just apply it to the back of my hand. I'm using the Laura Mercier Tinted Moisturiser, the illuminating one, and this is in Natural Radiance. It's one of my favourites, go to, couldn't live without. So I've just got my little mirror, take it, dab it in, and then apply. This feels really nice on the face. It feels quite sturdy, like similar to how a beauty blender would feel. Like I feel like I could pat it if I wanted to, I can wipe if I wanted to, but it also adds the product on the face. I was looking a little bit pale because I've used a concealer that's a little bit lighter on my skin, because I find if I use one that's darker, it kind of messes with my tinted moisturiser. So I've been trying to use a lighter concealer and it's working. I've also put it on my lips, which is why my lips look really pale. It's because I want to wear some lipstick. It's actually picking up the product really well and it just really blends in nicely. Oh, my voice went weird then because I just kind of, ooh. It's weird. Yeah, but look, I mean, obviously the product's gone to the brush, but it's also blended into my skin really well. Oh, I love that. That's kind of made it so much easier. Usually when I'm using a smaller brush, I'm kind of there for a while, just trying to kind of like blend it in and make it look nice. But this is obviously, because it's a larger surface brush, it's nice to hold, it's easy to kind of blend into my skin. And I feel like it's got all areas. So yeah, lovely. There's that. So I'm just going to apply the rest of my makeup and then I'll jump back on camera and show you the final look. So you guys, this is the final makeup look. I'm looking very dewy. This is the wonderful makeup look. The Real Techniques foundation brush, as you saw in the clip, it was awesome. Like, it blended really, really well. It was really easy to apply. It just kind of swooped my tinted moisturiser on, and I'm assuming it would be very similar with the foundation. Same texture, same concept. I love it. Like, honestly, it was so easy to hold. It was really quick to do. And normally I go a bit slower because obviously it's a YouTube video, so I like for you to see actually how it works and how it works on my skin and all that good stuff. But honestly, yeah, it's so nice. This was so worth the money. So this cost me £12.99 and it's a foundation blender, not a foundation brush, that I've kept calling it in this video. It's a foundation blender. So on Look Fantastic, it's £12.99. I got it from ASOS, which I'll link in the description box where I got it, but I'll also link the Look Fantastic that I've just googled and found. Yeah, it cost me £12.99, which I think, you know, it's a pretty good deal for a makeup brush, especially a Real Techniques makeup brush. Although we don't really hear of them that much anymore. Maybe it's just me. but I don't really hear much of them. So I didn't even realise they had a foundation brush until I was endlessly scrolling through ASOS, which is what I normally do when I'm bored or when I'm sick, and I was sick, so that's why I have it. But I love it. I actually couldn't recommend it more. I'm really not a beauty sponge kind of girl. Like, I don't really enjoy applying my makeup with a beauty sponge. I know some people love it and it really is, you know, what works for you, but for me, I love a foundation brush. I love a brush to apply my foundation, my tinted moisturiser, my liquid highlighters. I just have a preference, and that's just my preference. So I'm very, very excited about this, and I'm very glad that I did buy it for £12.99, and I definitely recommend it. I think it's a really good tool to have, and yeah, soft, easy, great quality. I mean, what's not to love? So yeah, there you go. I hope you enjoyed this review. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share with all your friends, and I'll see you in my next video.